Hi, my name is Paul Oberle. I'm with Dassault Systems. I'm a senior specialist in DELMIA, and my focus is on the augmented experience. What I'm showing here is literally the virtual and the real fused in real time. What I'd like to show you is that I'm representing all the work instructions that I as an operator have to accomplish within some process on the manufacturing shop floor. You might notice I'm able to adjust things, but I'm able to also track dynamically in real time. I've noticed that I've got some brackets that I've got to install, so let me swing over here and take a look at what's happening. I'm kind of interested. What would happen if I pick up the part? As you can see, same story. If I pick up the part and I move it in different orientations, it's still tracking accurately. All the instructions in the right place at the right time. And so what I'd like to do now is start my process. I've got a series of brackets that I need to install. It's clearly marked on the physical object. Therefore, I don't need to have a manual in my hand. I don't have to go back and forth referencing material. So as you can see, I have a series of brackets that I have to install, such as this one. The geometry is clearly indicated visually on the part in front of us, and I can just go ahead and start completing my task. Got bracket 2 over here, and bracket 1C fits right in. I finished the job, and I can now confirm that I've completed this stage of the task. So as you can see, I've completed the task, and I can just click it off. I've got a time-stamped event that's going to go straight back into the MES or wherever you're wanting to capture takt time or any kind of granular traceability information. Second step, as you can see, I have some green indicators where I need to supply power to the power unit and to compute. So I'll go ahead and perform this task of assembly. I've completed the task, and I'll check off in the software. This is a cross-platform approach. I can use other tools. I'm using a single source of truth, but I can use different technology like a tablet. As you can see, it automatically locks on, and I'm able to do some final verification in this case, confirming that I've installed all the pieces in the correct position and orientation.